How to make Facebook show all comments by default. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you make Facebook show all comments by default. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook app with your account. After you open Facebook, you will get this type of interface. From your at the bottom right, tap on menu. From the menu section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. From your tap on settings. From settings section, you'll have to scroll down and find out the options like followers and public content. After you find that, tap on that. From the section followers and public content, you'll have to turn off the options like show most relevant comment first. After you turn off this show most relevant comment first, you'll be able to make the Facebook for showing all comments by default. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.